And today looking at a solution which is really cool, really simple. HDMI on one side, RJ45 on the other side, here the same, and then we have the USB Type-C cable, which means that I will be able to connect this end to my laptop or any other computer that has a USB Type-C port, and then connect a Ethernet cable right over here up to 196 feet away or 60 meters away, and then connect that Ethernet cable to this hand here, if the camera focus, and then output an HDMI cable which will connect to our TV over 196 feet away, 4K at 60 Hz, or if we go lower to 82 feet away or 25 meters, we will be able to achieve 4K at 120 Hz. So this is probably one of the easiest way to achieve USB Type-C to HDMI extender over one single cable. But let's check out how all this works. And if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or 11 computer and you still haven't activated and can't even edit your desktop icons, don't forget to check out cdksales.com, where we can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get even cheaper. And now a setup for the USB Type-C to HDMI extender, which is really simple to connect. At this moment I've got it connected to this MacBook Pro, which is running Mac OS, but we can use with any operating system. It can be Windows or Linux, as long as it has a USB Type-C and video output over that USB Type-C port, which is what's going on right over here. We will be able to go up to 196 feet of distance or 60 meters to use 4K at 60 Hz, or we can go up to 82 feet or 25 meters, and we will achieve a maximum of 4K at 120 Hz. It will also support HDR10 and a lot of other formats, which the link will be down below for the full specifications. In terms of the connectivity, it's really simple. We will connect this transmitter to the USB Type-C on our computer, and then there's this Ethernet cable right over here, Cat6 cable, which in my particular case, as you can see, it is a patched cable because I'm using my longer cable on another project, so I had to use some patches, and I would not suggest to use this on a real life situation. But here on the lab, for testing purposes, it's what I'm doing. So I've got about 2 or 3 patches, and then I've got it connected to the receiver unit, which is then connected to the HDMI, and it's being powered with the USB to micro USB, which comes included as well. So this is the setup that we have, and at this moment I'm on the Array's website, but of course I can select the mirror mode, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm duplicating this screen to the big screen TV that we have on other room, but we could also use it as an extended mode because it will detect as an external display as I would connect directly to any display. So it's the same scenario. We will use it exactly as we would with an external display connected right over here on the USB Type-C port. Just show anything if I want to do a presentation and it's far away from the way that I'm presenting. This is a great solution. And if we want to do some gaming, or if we want to show off some videos, in this particular case, some really interesting devices that we can do a lot, like this one, gaming at a distance, but you just need to check out Array's YouTube channel to see those solutions. So we can do all. There are no limits whatsoever besides those that we already seen in terms of distances. Inside the package we will find 1 receiver, 1 transmitter and 1 USB Type-A to micro USB for power. Now the transmitter is the one that has the USB Type-C cable and Ethernet output on the other side, and the receiver, it's the one that receives the Ethernet input and output to the HDMI to the TV. So it's as simple as this. As I said, connect one end to our computer, connect the other end to our TV, and we will be able to achieve 196 feet away over one single cable, or 82 feet to achieve those 4K at 120 Hz. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. I will leave links down below so that you can check out this solution right over here. And as always, my name is Roberto, and I'll see you on the next one.